I'm that guy that bought a beach house to surf and watch sunrises. That's me. All I wanted to do as I was growing up was have a family and live by the beach happily.
Wow!
After many years, I finally found this one that I can only just afford. It looked like this until I reformed it to make it look like that, and that, and that. Not bad, eh? I then did the garden from this to that, and also that. What do you reckon? Not bad, eh? We could then enjoy breakfast with that wonderful ocean view. Oh, and don't forget the amazing Japanese sunrises. I then did even more DIY and went from this to that, and from this to that, and then eventually that, and that. Finally, I knew I had to do the hard one, which was the bathroom and the toilet, and I went from that to this, and this, so I was finally happy, and we could finally open for some guests to stay and surf with us. We then needed a surfboard room, so I decided to build one from this, and this, and this, and this, and finally this, to go to that, and that, which meant we could finally have our guests come and stay and sleep in our rooms like that, and then finally head out onto the beach that looks like that, and that. And that's a special guest house. Come and see us.